So in the last session, we started data types topic. What is mean by data type? What are the different types of primitive data types are available? At the top level, what classification? And again, these are divided into how many types? Next and after that, we had a discussion about so all these data types with the keyword name and the size, range, default value, wrapper class, everything we covered. And which are signed, which are unsigned also, I covered very clearly. Next and after that, what are the default values that every data type is going to provide support? If we are not taking any default value, so what it is going to take? Next and after that, even so we discussed about default data types also. Okay, suppose if you are seeing any number, sir, it comes under what type of category? That part also we discussed very clearly. So before starting Java history and all, I mean the first theory part I'm going to start now. So before starting that, let us have a small kind of a quiz. Okay. I request everyone to use another alternative mobile if you have, or the people who are watching from system, they can use mobile, or if you are using a mobile phone to take the class, try to use a system, or if you have any other friends mobile or relatives mobile, just you can use that. Okay, so because the questions are going to be displayed on my screen and you have to select the answers from your screen. So that is nothing but a kind of quiz what we have. So I will give URL, just you need to type the URL to enter into this particular thing. Okay, so anyway, I will demonstrate, don't worry. One second, just I'm opening this. Yeah, so you can see there is one app is there, you can download, or just to open the browser and type www.kahoot.it, kahoot.it. Whenever you are opening this, so it will ask for game pin. Suppose if you see, if I'm entering that URL, what will happen? It will ask for game pin. It will ask for game pin. You have to enter this game pin 8946478. After entering this, it will ask for name. Just to give your name and login. So once if everyone login, then I am going to start. Already one person logged with name Sriya. So please log in everyone. Then I will start. I will wait for 1 minute. So I am starting the quiz now. You can see. So the process is very simple. From your mobile in the sense, not your mobile. Okay, from which device you are watching this session, don't use that device. Okay, because the session is going to be displayed questions on my window only. That's why you have to select some other mobile In that, try to enter kahoot.it. Try to open that web browser. Try to enter that URL called kahoot.it. Then it will ask for name pin. So just game pin is nothing but this one you have to enter. After that, it will ask for name. Try to give your name and just join in the game. Okay. I request everyone to please join so that I will start. Now I am going to start the game. Maybe for first question, I will demonstrate. Later, you can participate actively. So I'm starting the quiz. As you can see, the topic is Java data types. So we have total 15 questions. The first question is, in Java, we have both primitives and objects. So there are two colors. In your system, it is showing these two colors, right? Select correct answer. Is it true or false? The given statement is true or false, you have to select. So time up, only three answers I got. So three answers are nothing but what? True. Yes, correct answer is true. In Java, we have both primitives are there, objects are there. Now you can see out of these five, so first person is nothing but Punita. I request everyone to please attempt. Okay. Second question, 2 points will be there. What are the two Java data types? Read the question carefully. See the options, from that you have to select. So the correct answer is primitives and non-primitives. Okay. Someone selected integer and floating point. We have characters, boolean, those things also data types, right? Primitives and objects, primitives and non-primitives is the correct answer. Third question, choose the right statement about Java data types. Please read carefully and select. Choose the right statement about Java data types. Integer data types are short, int and long. Real data types are float and double. Character data type is char, all the above. So the correct answer is all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Everyone selected correct answers. Next, fourth question. The following are the parts of Java data types except. In these four, except one, remaining are Java data types. You need to find out that except. So the correct answer is dual. We don't have this data type dual. Okay. Which of the following is valid? Maybe it is too early question. You can't answer this, but no problem. So the answer is none of the above. All are invalid only. I think you can understand. Boolean B is equal to true. So there is underscore in between that. Double D is equal to 0._42. It is also wrong. Long L is equal to 1000_L. So it is invalid. So none of the above is valid. Okay. Next question. Which of these data types stores real numbers? So the correct answer is double. Okay, double is nothing but what? Real number. It is going to store real number. Next, seventh question. Which of the following Java data type is not primitive? So the correct answer is string. String is not primitive. I told which are primitive. So float comes under primitive, right? Boolean also will comes under primitive. Character also will comes under primitive. But string, I think we have not seen. So string is object, not primitive. Which of the following Java data types uses true or false? I think it is easy question. Everyone selected the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Boolean. Boolean is nothing but allows true or false. Which of the data types represents 64-bit whole number? 64-bit whole number. So correct answer is long. What is the size of the long? So long size is nothing but what? 64 bits, 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits means 64 bit. And the correct answer is long. Okay, because they are asking about which one? Whole number. If it is a floating point, then you can select a double. Or real number means you can select a double. But they are asking about whole number. So the correct answer is long. Next question. Which of the data types listed below is not Java data type? Among these, there is one data type which is not correct. So the correct answer is someone selected byte. Why, sir? Boolean, byte, double, integer is invalid. Why? Because there is no term like integer, right? So there is only int. There is no term like integer. We have only int is there. That's why it is invalid. Next, which of the following Java data types is the most like a text? Which is something like a text? Yes, string is nothing but a group of characters, right? So it is acting like a text. It is acting like a text. Which of the following Java data types is most like logic data type? So you can see Boolean. Boolean is nothing but logic related data type. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Maybe last question, no. Which of the size of double data type is in Java? What is the size of double data type? So 8 bytes is the correct answer. I think yesterday we covered this. Please read carefully and select. So it is false. Why? Because we are not using math.min. We are using that wrapper class name dot max or min. Last question. So default value for Boolean is false. Yesterday I covered. Now it is showing the scores. Now you can see Punita came first, then Karthik, then Sriya and Shamala. Yeah, that's all. This is nothing but the results of the quiz what we have. Okay. Yes, tell me, what is your experience, friends? Is it good? Is it refreshing your knowledge?
Yes, brainstorming.
Very good. So for certain topics, these kind of quizzes also will be there. So now let us start our main concept. Like I today completely theory part will be there. Okay. Now, so the topic is Java history. Java history. Like who introduced Java, how this Java came, that part and all I'm going to demonstrate now. See, initially Sun Microsystems is the official sponsor for Java. Okay, at very beginning, how this Java came from Sun Microsystems, we got this Java. Okay, sir. Later, it is renamed. First, initially, it is renamed with OAK programming language. So, initially, it is named with OAK programming language. OAK means it is a tree name. Actually, we have take trees are there, right? In the same way, there is one tree with name OAK. So, from this OAK trees only, this particular programming language name came at very beginning. But later, so this name got changed to Java. Why? Because with this name, there is one programming language, sir. Scripting programming language is there. That's why, so they have instructed to change the name. So they rename it to Java. Java means what? It is a coffee cup symbol. Sorry, it is a coffee seed name. That's why if you observe the logo of Java is nothing but what? Coffee cup symbol with a saucer. Coffee cup symbol with a saucer. This is nothing but the logo of Java what we have. Okay, at very beginning, OAK is the name, not Java. Sir, who introduced this? There is one person with name James Gosling. James Gosling and their team members introduced Java on 23rd January. On 23rd January 1996, the first version of Java, like JDK 1.0 version came. So when this Java first version released on the market, so 23rd January 1996, the first version of Java came into the market. Okay, sir, who introduced Java? James Gosling and their team. Okay, so what is this JDK? JDK full form is Java Development Kit. As of now, it is not required. Soon we will talk about this. And later, this Sun Microsystems has changed this control to Oracle. From now onwards, sir, if you want to get any Java, from where we need to download? From Oracle. Oracle is the official sponsor from Java 8 version onwards. Okay, this is nothing but just a small history, like who introduced Java at very beginning, what is the name. Okay, so that name indicates what background is there for selecting that name. That's all. Sir, any questions up to this? Right. And this Java is available in different editions, like how we have movies, part one, part two, like that. So Java editions also available in three parts, sir. The first part is Java Standard. Okay, Java Standard Edition. Second one is Java Enterprise. Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. So third one is Java Micro Edition. Like totally how many types of editions are available? Three types. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Micro Edition. Sir, what is this Java Standard Edition? What things will comes under this Java Standard Edition? When we are talking about the Java Standard Edition, it is called as J2SE. Okay, J2SE. So officially we are going to use the name called J2SE. So J2SE means what? Java 2 Standard Edition. That is the full form. Java 2 Standard Edition. So that 2 means it is a version, sir. Actually, it is nothing but what? Version. It is nothing but what? Version. So Java 2 is very famous. Next, sir, it talks only fundamentals. It is going to talk about only fundamentals. If you want to learn complete fundamentals, then better to go for this standard edition. Next, what is the next point is, it is also called as core Java. What is another name for this? It is also called as what? Core Java, core Java. So here, by using this standard edition, we can able to develop standalone standalone applications in the sense what? The applications which runs without a client server, without client server architecture, we are going to run some applications. Such type of applications are called as what? Standalone applications. If you want, you can see some examples for this. Calculator, paint application. If I want to calculate factorial of the given number, such a type of small applications are called as what? Standalone applications, which can be developed by using core Java knowledge. If you have core Java knowledge, happily we can develop these kind of applications. Okay, I hope it is very clear for you. Any questions?
No, sir.
Sir,
Then, so coming to the second edition, what is the second edition? Java Enterprise Edition. Once if you have a clear knowledge on core Java, the next concept which we need to go for is advanced Java. It is called as J2W, Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Standard Edition, where it is going to talk about advanced topics like servlets, JSP, Spring Boot, microservices, n number of things will come. Okay, and hence it is called as advanced Java. That's why once if you are very good at core Java, you can go for advanced Java. By using this advanced Java, you can develop distributed and web applications. Sorry, you can develop distributed applications as well as we can develop web applications from this. Sir, next and after that, it uses with the client server architecture, it is going to work. Sir, which type of technique it is going to follow? Client server. That means what? The application we are going to load on one system and we are going to execute from another system. One system is connected to multiple devices. Such type of technique is called as what? Client server architecture. If I want to develop such type of applications, we must understand these advanced Java concepts, which comes under enterprise application. By using that, we can develop either distributed applications, web applications, everything you can develop. Sir, which things comes under these? If you take Gmail, sir, Gmail, where the server is available? Server is located somewhere in some other country, but from our house we are accessing, right? How it is possible? Because that is loaded in the server. From server we are fetching and we are accessing. So this is nothing but one of the application. Next, even online ticket reservation. So from somewhere we are going to book the tickets. So it is also called as what? Client server architecture only, right? Because server is located in somewhere, we are going to reserve the tickets from our mobile application or from our web application. So it is going to interact with the server. Such type of applications, if you want to develop, in addition to core Java knowledge, some other server components also must be required, which is called as what? Advanced Java. Clear, friends? Any questions? Right. Last one is what? Java micro edition. So what is mean by this Java micro edition? It is also one kind of Java application development, sir. So it is called as J to ME, Java to micro edition, which will use some micro programming tool. It is best suitable for developing mobile based applications. If I want to develop any mobile based applications, we have to use this micro edition. Okay, and which is going to runs on mobile application or runs on mobile OS. It is going to purely run on mobile OS. Examples for 90s kids, so they have this idea. Java games at the time it is somewhat popular. Okay, Java games are completely developed based on Java language only, and as of now it is not up to the mark, because we know Android is playing an important role in the mobile development. We are not using this micro edition as of now. So these are nothing but three different types of editions which are available. As of now. Sir, any questions up to this? I request everyone to please respond. Any questions up to this?
No questions, sir.
Yeah, please. If anyone is having doubts, you can ask. Yeah. Nagendra Prasad, you are already my student, huh?
Sir, in the 7 p.m. batch, but I couldn't attend regularly, so I'm joining this batch.
Okay. So you are going to shift to 6 o'clock or
6
you will
a.m.
continue in
Yeah,
7?
yeah. 6, sir. I
So
couldn't attend
inform the
because
same
of
information to
yeah,
admin, sir, because.
yeah, I sent a mail, they accepted.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Any other student from my existing batch? No, right? Yeah. Now, this is nothing but what we have about various editions. In this, the popular is standard edition and then enterprise edition. That's all. So this is about Java introduction and editions. Now we are talking about software related things. But before that, what are the different versions of Java available? We have to see. See, Java is available in different versions. In every year, they are going to release two versions. Okay. So the first one is Java 1.0, which came in the January 1996 first version. Then Java 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. 1.8 is also called as what? Java 8. Then Java 9, then Java 10, 11, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so 20. So Java 20 version came in the month of March 2023. Then Java 21 came in the month of September, okay, 2023. Then Java 22 so came in the month of March 2024. So Java 23 came recently September 2024. So these are nothing but different versions of Java existed. Immediately you may have a doubt. Sir, which version of Java we are going to cover in our syllabus? Majority of students are having these kind of questions. See, version to version, Java language syntaxes or the rules and regulations what they have given is not going to change. So maybe some new concepts you may get, okay, or if any problem is coming, they are going to give some kind of clarification on that. Except that remaining things are same, sir. Version to version, you can get some kind of updates, but not complete Java software. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. So total, how many versions are there? Up to 23. So in my syllabus, I mentioned I'm going to cover new features also. In every version, we have some 5 to 6 new features will be there. In that top priority features, I'm going to cover in my regular class. Remaining things I'm going to give in the form of video. This is nothing but what we have. So are you clear with the versions? Any questions from your end? Right. So next question. What is the softwares that we have to use? From here, programs will start. Softwares required to run Java application. Sir, if I want to run any Java application, what softwares are required? What softwares are required? Because you have to practice in your system, right? That's why we need to see what softwares are available. The first software what we have is some editors must be required. Editors in the sense what? To type the program. You may take notepad, or you may take notepad plus plus, or you can use edit plus, the editor which I am using. Sublime text you can use, or vs code you can use, or atom editor. Like that we have n number of editors are there. You can use any editor for typing the program, just to type the program. And we need some command prompt also. We need some command prompt also, but we are not required to install this command prompt in your machine. By because by default it is existed in every operating system. Sir, you can select any operating system. By default this command prompt is going to be existed. We are not required to install. Okay. Third software, so we have to install Java latest version. Which is the latest version? Java 23. Compulsory we have to install the latest version of Java. Sir, at last, sometimes we may depend on IDEs also. We have so many IDEs are there, like Eclipse IDE, then we have IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, next we have NetBeans. We have NetBeans is there. Like there are n number of IDEs are there. You can use any IDE to run your Java application. So these are nothing but four important softwares which are required to run the Java application. Okay. Sir, any questions on this? Please confirm. I request everyone to please interact, because I don't know, in this batch I am not seeing the response. So I request everyone to please respond. Clear up to this? Any questions?
No questions.
Right. Now, first program we are going to prepare. Steps to execute Java application. Sir, I want to prepare first Java application. Let us see how you can able to do. Sir, first step is what? We have to select any proper editor and type the Java program. Any editor for writing Java program. Sir, I want to write a Java program. You can select any proper editor. So from second program onwards, I will use this edit plus, but at very beginning, I am trying to open Notepad because Notepad is also the basic editor what we have, right? Sir, I selected Notepad. Here I will type the program. What is the second step? We have to write the Java program, okay, based on syntax rules. Syntax rules, so given by Sun or Oracle people. So they have given some kind of rules and regulations. We have to prepare a Java program based on that. Sir, every Java program must have a class. Inside that, you have to take which method? Main method. How to declare main method? Public static void main within bracket string array args. So soon I will talk about this in detail. And if you want to print any message, we have to take system.out.println of something like hello or welcome, something like that. And we have to close here. This is nothing but a simple Java program. First, we have to write the Java program. What is the next step? We have to save the Java file in proper location with the extension as .java. Sir, we have to save this file. What is the file that I created? This one, right? What is the class name? Test. I will try to save the file. In which location? Sir, in my computer. I am moving to the C drive. In that, there is one folder with name test. In this folder only, I will save. What is the file name that I will give? Test.java. Sir, this file is already there. No problem. Replace. So now I created this program. What is the name of the file? Test.java. What is the content? This is the content. So again, I am repeating first three steps. What is the first step? We have to select the editor for typing the program. As of now, I selected Notepad to type the program. So once if you are writing the Java program, we have to follow the rules and regulations given by the Java people. Sir, after following the rules and regulations, we have to save the file in a proper location. What should be the extension? .java. So my recommendation is whatever class name that you have taken, try to save the file with same name. What is the class name? Test. Try to save with test.java. So these three steps are clear means I will go to the next three steps. Sir, clear up to this? Any questions? Please confirm clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? Sir, we have to open command prompt. We have to open command prompt and move to the location where we saved our file. Where you saved your file, we have to move to that location. Sir, in the run, we have to type cmd. Immediately, you will get like this. Sir, C drive users folder, Prakash folder, but I saved in C drive test folder. Try to come out from this first. CD backslash is the command which we have to use to come out from all folders. Then CD space I am giving test. I entered into which folder? Test folder. So I came into the folder where we saved our file. Then what is the next one? We have to compile Java program by using which command? Javac command. There is one special command is there. What is the name of the command? Javac. By using this command, we have to compile our Java program. Try to compile in the command prompt. Java C, file name is what? Test.java. I am trying to compile. If the program is having any errors, it will show that errors. Sir, is my program is having any error? No, sir. Then immediately it return to the next prompt. What is the next step? We can execute our Java program, okay, by using which command? Java command, not Java C, Java command. So now Java space, what is the class name that we have taken? Test. If I press enter, we got one output like hello. Have you observed? What is the program that we have written? Hello. Sir, I am doing some modification. Hello, good evening. Save this file. Again, what we have to do? Recompile the program, re-execute. Every time, whenever you are doing modification, so you have to save and we have to execute. This is the way how to execute a simple Java program in your machine. Okay. Sir, now very important note. Java is case sensitive programming language. Sir, case sensitive programming language means what? Lower case letters and uppercase letters are treated as different. Lowercase letters and uppercase letters are treated as nothing but what? Different. I hope it is making sense for you people. Any questions, friends, up to this, whatever I covered?
Sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, I have a question for you. Compilation. Tell me which command we have to use to compile the program?
Java C.
Java C.
Java C space file
File
name
name
dot
dot
Java. How to execute the Java program? Which command we have to use?
Java
Java
file.
space
Java file name.
Java.
yeah, file name, but actually it is what?
Class.
Class name, not file name. We have to use class name. I will show you what will happen if I am using different file name and different class name. Up to this, any questions?
No, sir.
Now, we will see multiple Java programs today. Maybe one or two programs I will cover now. Then I will use remaining programs in the tomorrow session. Sir, I told it is also an editor. I don't want to do here because there is no syntax highlightation and all. I want to do in this edit plus. Go to file, click on new. You can see there is one option called Java. If you select this, you can see by default a skeleton is coming. We are not required to type everything. A default skeleton is there. You can give any class name. What is the class name I am giving? Capital A. I am giving the class name as nothing but what? Capital A. So now someone is asking doubt. Yes, we can do that. Yes. Now you can see. So what is the class name that I am giving? A, capital A. Now I am saving this file. Better here I will print the message saying good evening, like this. What is the first step? We have to save. Sir, tell me what is a class name in this program? Please tell me.
A.
A. So while saving, my recommendation is what? You have to save by taking a.java. So what is the file name? a.java. Inside that, what is the content? This is the content. Now my question is, I am trying to compile the program. See, if I am using Java C space b.java, what is the file name that I have given? A.
A.
But
A.
whenever I am taking b.java, what message we will get? Array, this file is not there. Like that, we are getting error. First clarification. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Then
Yes, sir.
Java C space, what is the original file name? A.java. Now there is no error. Now there is no error. Now my file is ready to execute. Sir, now while executing, I'm giving Java space B. Can I give like this? No. Sir, is there any class with name B? No.
No.
You can see what message we are getting. Class not found. Got it? Can I use Java space small a? Please confirm.
No.
No.
What message we are getting? Same thing. Could not find or load main class B. Could not find or load main class A. But see the difference? Sir, Java dot lang dot class not found exception B. Java dot lang dot class not found exception A. But they have given one extra message for us. What they have given? You have taken wrong name. Maybe case wise you are using different name. So what name we need to use? Capital A. Then if I run by using Java space capital A, we will get the output. Because majority of students are trying to save the file with the proper name only, but while executing, they will use lowercase letters. That's why I covered all combinations here. Sir, do you have any doubt in this program? First example.
No.
No, sir.
So clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. So I want to take another example. So what is the next example is second example. Listen carefully. So I'm creating a Java file. The name of the file is something like first.java. So I'm giving the file name as what? First.java. I'm creating a new Java program, but class name I'm giving as a second. Class name I'm giving as a second. But the file name is nothing but what?
First Georgia.
First.java. Sir, clear?
Yeah.
How to compile the file? Java C. Can I take second.java?
No.
No.
File name will
File name is going to come first.java.
Java.
While executing, can I use Java space first?
No. Second.
No. Why?
Class.
Because class name is what? Second.
Second.
So Java space, we have to use second. So conclusion here is, this is the reason why it is always recommended. It is always recommended to take file name and class name as the same. Sir, what will happen if you take it as a different? Is it wrong? No, it is working. But the problem is confusion to the user. Next question. Sir, can I use multiple classes here? Yes, you can use. What will happen? That part we will discuss later. Any queries, guys, up to this?
No, sir.
Everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That's all. This is nothing but the demo session what we have. And I request everyone, those who are willing to continue, so you can start making the payments. And the people who missed the last classes, so I'm going to share the YouTube link. Don't worry. So from that you can able to get. Okay. 1 second, I will share. In our YouTube channel. So it is there. You can check maybe. Yeah. Please be on mute. So there are 2 classes I have taken. Okay. On Monday and Tuesday. So this is nothing but the playlist what we have. So I'm pasting in our chat window also just to go through. Someone asked Anu, please verify. Yeah, sir, now I need some count. Can you please tell me those who are willing to continue in this batch? Can you please give your names? Of course, tomorrow is also demo session. From day after tomorrow, our regular classes are going to be started. I think someone already paid. 1 or 2 members, I think. So who paid the fee? 1 second. First, let me note down the names. Karthik, next. Shriya. Punita. Shamala. Sham, already you paid. Okay.
Yes.
Is it Shamala or Sham? Both are same?
Shyamala.
No, we got, you paid, huh?
Yes. Yeah. It's me.
There is one name with the name Sham
Yeah, it's me.
WGH.
Yeah, it's same. It's me.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Those who are willing to continue, just give the names, not paid list. So Karthik, Punita, and then Shamala. Shriya. Okay, right. Okay, guys. So tomorrow also, same demo session will be there. And from day after tomorrow, we will have our regular classes. Okay. Right. Thank you. See you in the tomorrow's demo session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you.